Here we have the brand new 2016 Buick Cascada. It has the 1.6 liter turbo 4-cylinder, 200 horsepower, 207 pound-feet of torque. This is the black carbon metallic with the light neutral interior. On the steering wheel, on the left side you have your forward collision alert button as well as the cruise control. And on the right side of the steering wheel, you have your push to talk. That enables your paired Bluetooth phone, also the radio controls. "20-inch wheels, standard on premium." Alright, to release the trunk, it's the bottom of this logo cap. Now that shelf has to be down to put the top down. The shelf holds the top. And then the button here on the left and the button here on the right will fold the seats if you need extra cargo room. Now this comes with 6 months on Star free trial, which gives you your automatic crash detection, your theft, and your turn-by-turn navigation. Also has 3 months free subscription to your XM radio. Let's check out that ambient light. That's pretty cool. The controller for the top, the electronic parking brake. And you can move that forward. If you need an armrest, move it back. Has a little bit of compartment down there. And your cup holders. Your USB port. Your 12-volt plug. Auxiliary. AC. Still has the key ignition. Let's see here. The sun. I apologize for the sun glare. Your door locks. Right here is your StabiliTrak traction control. On the right you have your lane departure warning, and the P is your front and rear park assist. There's also navigation, and of course your CD player. So that's a little bit of the Cascada. "17 seconds. You can also put the top down up to 31 miles an hour. There you go. It's also equipped with 4G LTE Wi-Fi for 3 months, 3 gigabytes, whichever comes first. And my name is Crystal, here at Silver Star Buick GMC in Thousand Oaks.